Welcome to HVAC Repair South Tabor, Portland, Oregon. Right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right now heating and cooling is the ideal choice when you're in search of trustworthy HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors in your local area. We offer services for residential and commercial buildings. With over 25 years working experience, we boast all of the expertise and knowledge needed to solve even the most difficult HVAC repair problems. Our HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors and technicians are highly skilled in all aspects of the heating and cooling industry. They provide outstanding service with outstanding outcomes, exceptional customer service and competitive prices. Every member of our team takes great pride in keeping up to date with the latest codes and technology to ensure your home and family healthy. No matter how complex or huge the task is, we are happy with the work they do. This is evident in our top quality workmanship. From small repairs to cooling and heating to large-scale central heating and cooling system installation, our HVAC repair and heat pump installation technicians can help. Only trained technicians from factories are employed. They're the best and most reliable workers in the industry. Your work will be completed properly the first time. Right now Heating and Cooling expects to maintain our relationship regardless of when the new equipment is installed. Our regular services are designed to ensure that your unit is operating optimally without disrupting breakdowns. The services we offer include heat pump installation, heat pump repair, air conditioner repair, HVAC installation, HVAC repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation and other services. Our strategy has always been simple, which is to offer competitive prices by using highly skilled HVAC repair and heat pump installation technicians and no extra charges, and backed with a 100% guarantee on the quality of work. Our HVAC repair technicians are ready to assist you with any heating or cooling repair or installation service for your commercial or residential property. We offer a variety of pricing options and guarantee workmanship, emergency and weekend services along with warranties for all parts and labor. Visit our website or phone us at 503-300-6124.